Hello students, welcome back again to my journey through haloalkanes and haloarenes. So far in our previous video we have learned what are haloalkanes and haloarenes. We have seen the classification and we also have discussed the nomenclature of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Now in this video we will see how they are prepared. That is, this video will contain the different methods of preparation of haloalkanes and haloarenes. And we know there are different methods of preparation of haloalkanes and haloarenes, and that is, it can be prepared from alcohol or it can be prepared from hydrocarbons. If it is from hydrocarbon, it can be done by electrophilic substitution or by Sandmeyer's reaction. It can also be prepared from alkenes by addition of hydrogen halide or addition of halogen. It can also be prepared by halogen exchange reaction, which include Finkelstein reaction and Schwarz reaction. So this is a huge topic. So it will be very difficult for you to learn it at a time. So I have divided this topic into two. That is, in the first part it will contain only the preparation methods from alcohol and from hydrocarbons, and in the second part we will discuss how they are prepared from alkenes and by using halogen exchange reaction. So we will see how haloalkanes and haloarenes are prepared from alcohols. You know, alcohol has the functional group OH, that is a hydroxyl group, and from alcohols, haloalkanes or alkyl halides can be prepared by the replacement of OH group by halogen by using various reagents. Just we will see there are different methods of preparation from alcohols. That is, any alcohol. Alcohol means ROH. R is any alkyl group. OH is the functional group. When alcohol is treated with hydrogen halide or concentrated acid or with the treatment with phosphorus halides or with red phosphorus or with vinyl chloride, we will get alkyl halides. And out of these different methods, the reaction of alcohol with vinyl chloride is considered to be the suitable method for the preparation of alkyl halides. Why? Because when alcohol is treated with vinyl chloride, we get alkyl halide. Along with that, we get the side products which are SO2 and HCl. These are easily escapable gases. So here you will get pure alkyl halides. So that is why this method of treatment of alcohol with vinyl chloride is considered to be the most suitable method for the preparation of alkyl halides. Then there are other methods like treatment with phosphorus halides or treatment with red phosphorus, etc. Then this first method, that is alcohol treated with hydrogen halide, this also will give alkyl halides. Now here, when it is a primary or a secondary alcohol, it requires the presence of the catalyst ZnCl2, then only the reaction will proceed. If it is a tertiary alcohol, it doesn't require the presence of ZnCl2. Just by warming it with the hydrogen halide, the reaction will proceed. So these are some of the methods from which we can prepare, some of the methods or reagents using which we can prepare alkyl halides from alcohols. This one thing you have to note here is this method is not suitable for the preparation of aryl halides. Why? Because the corresponding alcohol, aryl alcohol, is phenol, and in phenol the carbon OH bond or the carbon oxygen bond will be having a partial double bond character. If you write the resonating structure of phenol, you will understand that. That is, carbon oxygen bond is partial double bond in nature. So it is difficult to break that double bond, and so you cannot easily replace OH by halogen atom. So aryl halides cannot be prepared from phenols. So this method is not suitable for the preparation of aryl halides. Only alkyl halides can be prepared from alcohols. Now we'll see how an aryl halide can be obtained. That is, it can be prepared by electrophilic substitution reaction. That is, you can see here aryl benzene. Here it is a methyl benzene, or commonly called as toluene. When it is treated with halogen, the reaction has to be carried out in presence of a Lewis acid, in the presence of ion as a catalyst. Then you can see halogen atom gets substituted at the ortho and para position. That is, you get a mixture of orthohalotoluene and parahalotoluene. I think you know methyl group is ortho-para directing. You might have learned the directive influence of functional groups in 11th standard. So according to that, methyl group is ortho-para directing. So you will get a mixture of orthohalotoluene and parahalotoluene. They can be separated. These mixture of products can be separated based on their melting point. There is a difference between their melting point. So based on the difference in the melting point, they can be easily separated. So by this method, you will get chlorohalide, aryl halides, and that is aryl chlorides and aryl bromides can be obtained by this method. And in the case of preparation of aryl iodides, this same reaction is reversible in nature. So the reaction has to be carried out in presence of some oxidizing agents like nitric acid. And aryl fluorides cannot be prepared by this method because of the high reactivity of fluorine. So this is one method of preparation of aryl halides, that is by electrophilic substitution reaction. And there is one more method for the preparation of aryl halide, that is by Sandmeyer's reaction. This is a name reaction and also one of the important reaction. Here in Sandmeyer's reaction, primary aromatic amine, that is, you can see aminobenzene, or commonly known as aniline, is dissolved in hydrogen halide, aqueous hydrogen halide, and treated with sodium nitrite. You will get an intermediate called as benzene disonium salt or benzene disonium halide. This is unstable, and if it is treated with copper halide, you will get the corresponding halogen at the position of N2 plus X minus. That is, N2 plus X minus group is being replaced by halogen atom. So you can prepare aryl chlorides and aryl bromides very easily by using Sandmeyer's reaction. And in the case of aryl iodides, you need not require the presence of copper halides. That is, the first step is the same. That is, amino treatment of aminobenzene on an aniline with hydrogen halide and sodium nitrite getting disonium salt. The first step is the same. But in the second step, you need not require the presence of copper halide. Instead, you can directly treat it with potassium iodide, Ki, potassium iodide. You will get iodine atom substituted at the position of N2 plus X minus. Here in this example, you can see iodine is substituted, or iodine is replacing the position of N2 plus X minus. So by this method, you can prepare aryl halides. So these aryl halides can be prepared by electrophilic substitution and by Sandmeyer's reaction. So these are this is how we can prepare haloalkanes and haloarenes from alcohol and from hydrocarbons. Hope you have understood this topic. We'll discuss in the next part. We'll discuss how they are prepared from alkenes and by halogen exchange reaction. Thank you.